So all of this will be painted. All this fence needs to come out because we cannot paint the metal without removing this first. It's close in because we're getting ready to paint the metal portions of this bridge. They have acquired some corrosion over the years, and it's time now to give it some maintenance so it lasts for many years to come. Right now it's just aesthetics problem, but if we let it go, the whole thing could collapse. You gotta remove some of the corrosion, and then you gotta recoat it so it does not get any worse. The containment system will be like a blanket that will be put all around the bridge, just the top, the sides, the bottom, contain whatever dust comes out from the sanding, whatever overspray comes out while painting, and keep it from going into the environment and the vehicles below. This is part of the penny tax that Seminole County has. We have many projects throughout the county using those funds, and this happens to be one of those. This could not have been done without that funding, or it had to be delayed a few more years where more damage could have occurred.